Why does website optimization matter? Boost conversions. A well-optimized website leads to higher conversion rates. When users find what they need easily, they're more likely to take action, whether purchasing or filling out a form. Enhance user experience. UX. Imagine a seamless, user-friendly site where visitors glide effortlessly. Optimization ensures just that, encouraging exploration and engagement. Improve brand visibility. A finely tuned website ranks higher in search results. More visibility means more organic traffic, making your brand shine brighter. Increase traffic and revenue. Small refinements add up. Historical content updates and faster loading times. These tweaks boost overall performance. Positive reputation. A well-organized, fast-loading site reflects professionalism. Users trust it, enhancing your brand's reputation.